What's the make model of your bike?
This is a 2024 Yamaha R1.
Is this your first bike?
This is my very first bike. I've been riding since May of 2024.
Why the Yamaha versus a different brand?
I don't know, Yamaha just suited me. When I first sat on this bike, I was like, yeah, this is made for me. So I was like, let's do it.
Did you test the bike?
I did not. I had no license, nothing. I was just sat on it. This is my bike, and this is now my baby.
Is this the original factory color?
No, this is actually from a company, Moto Parts. Shout out to them.
Yeah.
They got this color for me.
Okay.
Got the side cages, shorty levers, and of course the Insta360 add-on.
Insta360 app. So tell me your riding style. Highways, side road, what do you like?
I prefer the highways, especially on the express pass where none of this Virginia traffic is at. So
okay.
That's the best thing.
What's your plan with the bike? Are you planning to keep it for a while? You're planning to change it or what?
This is my baby. I'm gonna keep her as long as I can.
Okay.
We'll upgrade eventually in the future, but for now, this is
I see you have some protection bars. Did you put them yourself?
I did, actually, just yesterday.
Oh, you did?
Just
good.
Yesterday.
Before you had to get any you did.
A little, I know already. I'm so upset.
Yeah, okay. So, but I'm sure you can easily change that side, right, if you wanted to.
Yes.
You know? Tell me, are you going to do the work yourself?
I have.
Like oil changes and things of that nature?
I plan on it, because why not? Save the money.
Okay.
Save the money.
Have you done any of those things yet?
I actually got to do my oil change soon, but...
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I'm doing my oil change myself, do the cosmetics myself, everything, so... We'll
Cool. What is, do you ride to work? Or
I ride anytime I can, grocery store, to work, to the gym, just any excuse to ride this bike.
Any excuse to ride this bike. Okay. Tell me, like, things of this bike, what do you like about it? And what do you not like about it?
Number one, this new color I got.
You like that?
So if you see the 2024 models, you'll see like the white and teal with it.
Okay.
Don't get me wrong, I love it, but it wasn't me.
It's a very custom color.
Exactly.
I have to give you that.
Color.
I don't think I've seen one like.
Exactly.
No, especially on the R3, I haven't seen one.
I wanted to stand out a little bit.
Okay.
I love this windscreen too.
Oh, you changed that also?
This is everything is changed.
Okay. Have you changed the exhaust also?
Not yet. That's coming soon. Stay tuned
okay.
for that one.
Stay tuned with that one.
Stay tuned.
Cool. So when you're riding, are you riding mostly very aggressive already, or are you trying to give yourself time to learn?
I still want to learn, you know. Granted, motorcycles are fun, cool, but at the same time, I want to be safe with it. You know? I don't want to do anything beyond. They always say ride your limits. That's exactly what I'm doing. Or ride your ride. So that's exactly what I'm going to do.
Good. I'm glad to hear that. You know what I mean? What else you want me to tell our audience about your bike, your experience with your R3?
Like I said, ride your own ride. I know most people say start slow. I mean, I started slow. You know, you don't have to jump up to a higher bike just to impress anybody. Do what you do, what you feel comfortable with. This is exactly what I feel comfortable with.
What about the electronic safety features? Tell me about that. What safety features does it have, and did they come handy for you?
On this bike, I have ABS.
Okay.
I love it. I was riding in the rain one time, and I had to stop immediately. That ABS, I would say, saved my life. So that's a good thing.
Okay.
Everything on here is digital.
Okay.
So RPMs, your speed, oil, gas, all of that's electronic. So that's also nice to know. Just to take.
Does it have a quick shifter?
No.
It does not.
No.
Okay. Well, you're a new rider.
Exactly.
There's no reason for you to have it.
To jump up so fast.
No.
I did want to do the exhaust just to at least be heard.
Okay.
You know how it is here. I want to be heard, be seen, all that good stuff. So even just doing a simple slip-on, that'll be fine for now.
Are you going to put it yourself?
Yes, of course.
Good.
Of
Good
course.
for you. Yes, because slip-ons are not that difficult to put on.
Yamaha and Cell in general, especially this bike, it's so easy to do everything yourself, especially a quick YouTube video.
Yes.
Or just basically looking at it, owner's manual, all that good stuff, it'll literally tell you how to do everything. So
did you buy extended warranty with it?
No.
No?
No, I didn't.
Okay. Did you buy it local or somewhere else?
I bought it at Coleman Power Sports
in
Woodbridge.
In Woodbridge?
Yes.
Were you happy with the price and the sale?
I love this. For this bike being 2024 brand new,
okay,
I couldn't complain about the price.
What did you pick it up out the door?
5.9.
Okay.
5.9.
Oh, so not bad. Okay,
not
that's
terrible
good.
At all.
So as long as you were happy with the price and everything else, congratulations on this bike. you know. Hope to get you next after maybe 6 months of experience.
Course, a nice little follow
you know,
up with it.
Exactly. Thank you.
Thank you.